생각하게 상어처럼 먹어요. We are at the Robarts Library. Nandito kami sa labas ng library, enjoying this beautiful cherry blossom. Ayan. Ayan, it's cherry blossom time na naman. So, meron din silang cherry blossom dito sa labas ng library. The last time, we went to Hyde Park and there they also, they have more cherry blossom trees doon. Dito, less, but look at these flowers. Ang ganda ng mga flowers. So, let's enjoy these flowers. Nililipad na ng hangin ang petals ng cherry blossom. Ayan, malakas ang hangin. So, probably next week, wala na ito. Lakas ng hangin. Malakas ang hangin. Malakas ang hangin. Super lakas. Paubos na yung petals. Wala na. Nililipad na ang petals.
I'll take your video walking on that trail. Walking there like this. And it's not obvious that it's not a lot. Ito na diban so.
Masaya lang makita yung cherry blossom this year. Pero patapos na sila. The wind is strong. So, sooner or later, they'll be gone. So, yun ang aming short na trip. Our short visit dito sa labas ng library. Hi guys! Dahil cherry blossom time, may pupuntahan na naman kami another site kung saan may mga cherry blossom. Nung isang araw nandun kami sa downtown at pinuntahan namin yung isang cherry blossom site ko. So this time, dito lang nearby, meron pala sa malapit sa amin, sa Brimley. So pupuntahan namin yun ngayon, titignan namin kung it's as nice as the one downtown. So, ang tawag pala dito is Birkdale Ravine. Birkdale Ravine.
Here in the middle.
It's all white. Ano, there's some pink,
Pinkish light pink.
light pink.
Blush pink.
Yeah.
You see, there's. Remove your glasses. You cannot see. It's black.
I can. It's pink. There's pink there.
Here, oh, in the middle.
Hindi magkastay mo ay magumulat na din padagas kami lang.
Yeah, it's already falling. Dali, I'll take your video from.
Eto, with the cherry blossom on my ear, nahulog lang to, nahanap namin sa sa lupa. So ginamit ko. Ayan, cherry blossom. How do you find the place, Daddy?
Yeah.
Anong ya?
The place should improve this some more.
Oh, improve like what? How?
Plant
What?
more.
Why?
Plant more
Where?
cherry blossom trees.
Oh, it's not easy to plant this much cherry blossom. Imported pa to galing ng Japan.
There
So, yeah, maraming
plenty
tao.
of space here.
Yeah, ang daming tao dito. Ayan, no, yung mga
You can
tao.
add.
Oo. Dito lang to sa amin, malapit. Kapitbahay lang namin itong Brimley from our place. So, pati aso, ayan, no, namasyal na yung aso. Oh. Ayun. May mga aso na namamasyal. Ayan. Kanya-kanyang kuha ng picture. Kanya-kanyang pose. Kanya-kanyang arte. Tapos doon may bata na talagang gigil na gigil sa cherry blossom.
Me, look, you're going to UTSC.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe you can take a good picture.
Sakura tree.
Chào, bye bye.
So you got your
So, yeah. Masaya din. Mas madami ng tao.
Oh, they're coming in 8 minutes. Pops, you drop me first.
Drop her.
They're coming.
You just mommy, take the, you bring the card.
Ayan, na-enjoy namin yung aming nakita. Cherry blossom here in Brimley. So, yeah, maganda din. Kakatuwa. Bye! Say bye, Daddy.
Bye bye.
Mas mabuti talaga pupunta dito ng maaga. Kasi pag ganitong oras na, mas marami ng tao, mahirap na. Mas maraming tao, mas mahirap ng to take good pictures. So ayan, no, padami na yung tao. So dito yung mga tao dito nakatira, kung saan saan ang nagpa-park na yung mga tao dito. So mas maganda kung gusto makita yung cherry blossom at kung gustong makatake ng mas magandang pictures, pumunta ng maaga, as early as probably 8 a.m. Kasi ngayon, it's like past 10 na. So, ayan, madami ng tao. Punuan na yung parking dito sa harap ng mga bahay-bahay.
Nakakapunta naman pala sa Raul.
¿Dónde hay que ir aquí?
Grabe. Yeah, kasi Dorcott Avenue. So dito. Agawan na ng ng parking.
Here?
Oh, kiss Mimi first lang. Dali, you will be in Mimi's, Vim in Canada.
Vim in Canada. You wanna watch Vim in Canada?
Yeah, he likes. Why not? Break dance, break dance.